everyone, thanks for watching. So today we're opening up the August Bombay and Cedar Lifestyle box. And I'm filming late. I've been doing that a lot lately so you can kind of see like the reflection of the sun setting. So sorry about that if that is distracting. But anyways, so yeah, today's the August box. It's a little bit late. They've been behind for a while. So Bombay and Cedar recently made some changes to their subscription box. I will link my video I did last month that talks more about it. But they used to have a mini and a premium box, but now they're just going to have a premium box and they lowered the price. So I'll leave their link down below along with the promo code I have to save 10% if you are interested in subscribing. Another change they made is that they now have their lifestyle box as a seasonal subscription, so that is also an option. So before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here in our channel, so if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And let's get this box open. So this is what it looks like. It's pretty heavy. And the theme is Bash. It looks like birthday. And this kind of like matches. There's like really like colorful like squiggly packing material. So in here it'll talk about all the items inside and give pricing. And it looks like for August there was still the mini box available. I think the change is happening in September, correct me if I'm wrong, but pulled out the first thing. Oh, this looks really pretty. This is by Kitty Smale or Kitty Smale. I could be saying that wrong. This is Painted Petals note cards, 16 assorted greeting cards, 6 designs, and 7 envelopes. How pretty. On the back you could see all of the designs. I'm all about like floral print and this is so beautiful. I love all of the colors. So it looks like there's some thank you cards. One just says hello and there's some blank ones and one says cheers. So this was in the premium and the mini box, and I guess there was a variation because it says the price ranges from $14.99 to $16.99. A big thing here. Ooh, are these cocktail glasses? This is by Vicki. This is footed punch cups, a set of 2. Nice. I will totally use these, even though I've been dry for a while at my house. I need to go grocery shopping. This makes me want to drink. It says our footed punch cups put elegant and inventive angles on display. Lead-free crystal provides utter clarity and an unparalleled drinking experience, while smart stackable construction means these glasses can be arranged in multiple configurations. Nice. And these are $23.99 and they're in the premium box only. I love the sound of this. It's Cafe Premium Coffee Candy. I love coffee. I love coffee flavored everything, coffee fragrance. This sounds amazing. This is in all of the boxes and it is $6. Yum. I'm gonna have one right after filming. What do we have here? This looks like it's a cleaner. Oh nice, I could use something like this. I'm sure we all could. This is by Public Good. Sorry, there's like a loud car outside. Surface cleaner. Healthy ingredients with nothing to hide. It's paraben free, vegan friendly, gray water friendly. What does that mean? And then gluten free, cruelty free. So very simple packaging, but this is large. You get a lot of product. 24 fluid ounces on the bottom. It says it's all good. So this is in the premium box only and it is $7.50. Effective plant powered clean with a subtle fresh scent. Includes a refill. Oh, so there's a refill somewhere in here. Not sure where that is, but let's move on to the next item. This is 6 infusions for cocktail collection. I like this box. It's a very boozy theme for parties. I guess that Bash is the theme. And it says the perfect serve. Put the infuser into a shaker, add 0.24 ounces of sugar, 2 ounces of the selected spirit, and infuse for 3 to 6 minutes. Oh, and you get different flavors. You get Cosmopolitan, Margarita, Daiquiri Peach, Vodka, or no, they're saying what to add. So you get Cosmo, Margarita, and Daiquiri Punch, and that tells you what liquor to add to it. So this is $15. Cocktail infusers by Tea Tonic. Impress your guests with these intoxicating sets of 6 infused botanical bags. Fun. You can use your new cocktail glasses if you want to. Next, we have a little game here, it looks like. It's after dinner amusements, charades, 50 cards with 200 playful prompts. That's fun. This is like a perfect box for a party. You have something to like clean beforehand, some like little treats, drink stuff, games. And you have cards to like thank your guests for coming afterwards. Oh, here's the refill for the surface cleaner. Next up, this is super cute. This is by Pinky Up. It's a tea towel, linen and cotton blend. Love the colors. So this is 20 inches by 32 inches if you're curious, and it says splash a little tea on your bonnet, use this dainty absorbent towel to sop it up and throw it in the wash when you're done. You're also allowed to use this for dishes. Super cute and fun. So this is in the premium box, and it looks like it could have been a variation item because it varies between $10 to $12. Next we have an item here by We Are Wild, and this is their solid block. Oh, I've gotten a few items from them before. What one is this? This is their active cannabis. It's made for beautiful active skin. It is, what is it? I think it's a sunscreen. Let's read here. So yeah, it is the Solid Block Mineral Sunscreen by We Are Wild, the safest, most nourishing daytime balm that offers better protection for radiant, healthy skin. This is $26. I believe I have this already. I haven't used it much because I have other sunscreens open, but I love getting sunscreen SPF products because I wear it every day, so it will definitely get used eventually. And then it looks like we have left just our essential oils. So every month in Bombay Cedar you get 2 essential oils, and I love that they come with cards that give you more information, like it talks about the benefits, precautions, and also what the oils blend with. And let's see, so we have mandarin and peppermint, or Japanese peppermint. Interesting. So here they are here, and the mandarin and the Japanese are $14 each. So I love mandarin scent, and it's a soothing mandarin and then Japanese peppermint. So these are 2 scents I definitely enjoy, so that is awesome. And that was everything, you guys. So I think they did good staying on theme with the bash. So I'd love to know your thoughts down below. And again, if you're interested in subscribing, the link and my promo code to save 10% will be down below. So thank you for unboxing this with me. Thank you to my channel members. Your support means so much to me. If you want to learn about channel membership or you're interested in joining, there's always a link down below. One of the perks for Tier 2 is that we do bi-weekly live streams. It's super fun. We get to chat, get to know each other better, and there's always giveaways in there as well. But if not, that's okay. No times are hard. Just by being here and watching is super supportive, and I appreciate you so much. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.